Transferring WhatsApp data between Android and iOS isn't easy. To simplify the process, many users turn to third-party tools like WooTechy WhatsMover. In this video, we'll review how well WhatsMover works in real-world use and whether it's truly reliable. Part 1. Key features of WooTechy WhatsMover. Part 2. Is it safe and free to use WooTechy WhatsMover? Part 3. User reviews of WooTechy WhatsMover. Pros: easy cross-platform transfer, unlimited PC or Mac backup, helpful support. Cons: device compatibility issues, very limited free version, occasional transfer failures. Part 4. What if WooTechy WhatsMover doesn't work? Check USB connection and use a reliable cable. Enable USB debugging Android. Update WhatsMover and device OS. Restart phone and computer. Try another USB port or cable. Check storage space and app permissions. Reinstall WhatsMover if needed. Part 5. FAQs about WooTechy WhatsMover. Q1. Export formats: HTML, PDF, CSV, DLs. Q2. Customer support: email and official website. Q3. WhatsApp business supported? Yes. Q4. Root or jailbreak needed? No. Q5. Compatible with latest WhatsApp? Yes. Regularly updated. Part 6. Best alternative to WooTechy WhatsMover. Social app transfer is a versatile tool that allows users to transfer, back up, and restore WhatsApp and line data between Android and iOS devices seamlessly. One list guide. Start by downloading and installing Social App Transfer on your computer. Then launch the application. Click the WhatsApp icon in the left-hand menu. Next, connect both your Android and/or iOS devices to the computer using USB cables. Follow on-screen prompts to detect both devices. Confirm source and target use flip if needed. Click Transfer to start.